Hi guys, it's Lulu from Boho Locs and I'm with the lovely Nicole today, who is an intern at Boho Locs, and we're so happy to have her part of our team. What we're going to be doing today is an install of our BRONDE BOHO GODDESS LOCS with the addition of our brand new layered kits. We're super excited. I've not done this install on anyone before. Nicole is the first, and we're just going to get into it. We're just going to see how it looks. We're super excited and we're going to get into the install. Okay, so the first stage in the process is to do the base, and what I'm going to do, Nicole has got lovely, look, like, can we just appreciate her hair for a second? Look at all this gorgeous hair, and we love protective styles, as you know, and that's what Boho Locs is. So we're going to go ahead and do the base. I'm just going to do a standard base, which is 8 cornrows and about 10 to 12 individual plaits in the front. Let's do it. So we've gone ahead and put in the locks, and the good news is we've still got over 40, I would say, locks left. So we are good, and we also have this bad boy, the Boho Layers brand new, to put in. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Boho Layers in the individuals in the front, and then we're going to show you guys how it looks. The thing I really love about this is that because they're bronze, you've still got the ombre towards the end. So if you had bronze locks and you cut them, for example, to create a layered look, you would be cutting out all of this color. But because they are made to be this length, you've got the lighter end. So it's gonna look hot. So let's do it. So guys, here are the results with the Boho Layers. Nicole is wearing our BRONDE BOHO GODDESS LOCS, and what I've done is I've installed a pack of the layers in the front, which you can see here, and regular length everywhere else. And we just think it's a super cute addition to the style. It just takes the style to a bit of a new place, and we absolutely love it. So please do welcome Boho Layers to the Boho Locs family. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know below and we will get back to you.